There he is eating. Can't really see what he's doing, but I can see him moving around. Watch your bucket.
He ate it.
Yep.
That's awesome.
That is.
Oh, more swimming towards him.
This is a good view.
Wait, he's coming to the front.
He's going in his cave.
Oh.
5 laps.
That's awesome. We got sweet view down here.
Is he coming to see it?
No.
Where's his face?
His face is right here.
Oh, maybe I should put down here.
Good try. Here's he's picking it up.
I can't see anything. Cannot see anything, sorry. Oh.
This is so awesome. Oh, there he goes.
Yeah, I see it.
You might have a good view here, I don't know.
No, I got a good view here. Or I did.
See his eyes, his nostrils, everything.
Mm-hmm. He's hiding his face under his body.
You just sucked that in. You saw from my angle, you just sucked it.
That's amazing. Aw, he's cute.